Hey YouTube, I'm back, and I wanted to do kind of a pack opening kind of thing. I have 5 of the six trophy bundle thing, and this is the filter I was using. And let's get into the packs. Okay, let's start off with a 2-pack because I just got the one. Let's see here. I got the silver and that, so pretty much I think I broke even on that. Let's see here. I got silver, bronze, silver, and 2 more silvers. I got a positive on that. That's nice. Let's see here. Drop a like if you think I'm gonna get an elite. I hope so. It'd be awesome. Cold. So this pack I made a lot of profit on it, which is nice. Let's see here. Silver, gold. Sweet. This is making a little bit of profit, but not much. But yeah, guys, I've been using this sniping filter a lot for this one I lost money on, but I've been using this sniping filter for a while now, and it boosted me up a good 50k in a day and a half. Ooh, this is like the perfect pack. That's awesome. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to make a video so I didn't have to worry about it later today, and I'll see you guys later, I guess.